Hello. Today I should show you how to reset your keyboard settings to default in Windows 11. Step 1, open keyboard language settings. First, click on the search bar on your taskbar. Type keyboard in the search field. From the results, click on Edit Language and Keyboard Options. Step 2, add a new language optional. Inside the settings window, you'll see your current preferred language. To add a new one, click on Add a Language. A list of available languages will appear. You can search or scroll to find the one you want. For example, you can select English New Zealand, click Next, then click Install. Step 3, make the new language active. Once the download is complete, the language will appear in the list. To make it active on your keyboard, click on the new language and move it to the top of the list using the Move Up button. Now, when you type, this language will be used by default. This is how you reset keyboard settings and change language in Windows.